All right, we are going to skip number 6. We're actually going to go to experiment number 7 because I do not have graduated cylinders. So experiment number 7, on the back side of your paper, it says fill a liquid measuring cup with water to the 3/4 cup mark, which I already did. Place the cup on a level surface and read the amount at eye level. Then we're going to transfer the water to a 3/4 cup dry measuring cup. And we're going to have to use the 1/2 cup and the 1/4 cup because we don't have a 3/4 cup in our standard set. So your hypothesis, do you think this will fill up both of these measuring cups to the top, or do you think something else will happen? So go ahead and take a minute to fill out your hypothesis. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start pouring this water into these measuring cups and we'll see what happens. So I'm going to turn my handles here. So here we go. Now, one of the reasons we use a liquid measuring cup to measure out liquids is because it has that nice pouring spout. So when I'm pouring, I'm not losing liquid when I'm pouring it into my measuring cups. And it's clear glass or plastic. Ooh, that one's going to overflow. So I can see my measurements, and it also has that free space up at the top, so I can move this liquid cup wherever I need to, and it's not going to spill all over the place. Now, if I'm looking at this closely, what's interesting is that my water is actually bubbling up over the top of the measuring cup. So I'm going to actually take the iPad here for a second because I want you to see this. So bear with me here while I get this taken out. Whoops, there we go. Okay, so find our measuring cups. Especially this little one. I don't know if I can get it level. But you can kind of tell the water is actually brimming over the top of both of these cups. So I clearly have more liquid than what I would need if I was to use these dry measuring cups versus using my liquid measuring cup here. So my conclusion, or actually I should say, did you use all of the water in the dry measuring cups, and how does it compare with the liquid measuring cup? And then last question, based on your observations, how accurate are the dry measuring cups for measuring liquids, and which is the correct method to measure a liquid and why? So go ahead and we'll answer up that question, and that concludes our why measure experiments.